Recap, one time, you already know now, 2 times. Same peasy, give me the beat, let's take it all over the world. Worldwide, 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 worldwide. Lord, I want your love to be known, yeah, yeah, yeah. And I want your joy to be seen, worldwide.
God gave me Kenya, I'ma take it to the world. 7 continents, to every boy and girl. Vitu za dunia, I'm not interested. Why limit God when you know He's unlimited? Unlimited, keeping close to His company, limited. Let me introduce myself to you, Mini Ted. But forget my name, forget the fame. Let me talk about the lion who they couldn't tame.
Jesus, Emmanuel, God with us. Take it to the world, see in God we trust. Think we have swag, it's the God in us. So pay me some attention and listen to this verse.
Step by step, I'ma make it. To the whole world, I'ma take it. Whoa, 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 whoa. To the whole world, I will take it.
Worldwide, 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 worldwide. Lord, I want your love to be known, yeah, yeah, yeah. And I want your joy to be seen everywhere. Recap.